What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Happy New Year's. And as I promised, BRZ content. You already know how it is. I'm by myself today. And we're gonna do a install that probably shouldn't be done by myself. It's the IRP Short Shifter. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing a short shifter on the BRZ today. I ordered it back in August. It's now December. Getting over a cold right now, so sorry if I'm sounding a little icky. Energy isn't as high, but I'm by myself. So apparently this is a super complicated install. I'm gonna try to bring you guys as much as I can, just for the parts that are underneath the car. I don't have a light with me, so I have my phone, little flashlight action, you know how it is. So let's hop right into the car. I already started kind of taking out the interior, clean out my car so you guys can't see how messy it is. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be great. I kind of read the instructions over the last like 6-ish months about it, but from what it seems like, I don't know why I put you guys down. So basically, I kind of have to take out the entire interior of the car, right? Kind of started with the trim, which is right there, or the shifter boot, right? Took that out. There's 4 hex bolts that I gotta take out. And to get to the back ones, I actually need to remove all this. Sorry if you hear the beeping. It's my little dash cam and my radar going off. So I think all of this is gonna come out in some shape or form. So I'm gonna slap it into a time lapse, and yeah, we're gonna get going. Or I can snap. Yeah, time lapse for sure. Time lapse, right? That makes sense. All right, so time lapses are stupid. You guys don't care. You guys just want to see the steps. So let me just, I'm here. You know, we're gonna do this. And boom. Whoa. Yo, that straight up sucked. You would think 4 bolts would not be the end of my world, but it was. And I mean, I got it out. Okay, I'm being dramatic. I got it out. But there were a lot of more hidden screws than I thought there. Ignore those wires. Ignore those wires. I definitely didn't break anything as I was pulling shit out that I put in. So it's okay, ignore it, just ignore it. So now, time to take out the shifter itself and the shifter assembly, and then we go underneath the car. So this is the point of no return. I pulled the little carter pin out. Once I pull this out, I have no choice. I have to full commit to the bit. I'm losing daylight, so we're gonna jump around a bit, jump underneath the car, install it. Installation says 4 hours. I'm only 30 minutes into it. Just saying, pretty good, pretty easy so far. Essentially, the next part that I need to do, there's 2 bolts here, and then it kind of pins in the back. So I have to lower the drivetrain ever so slightly to get this part out, because this is held in with 2 bolts, and it's 2 pins in the back. And so I'm gonna lower the drive shaft by just loosening those nuts, give me about 1 inch, and then also lower the transmission mounts by 1 inch. And that's what I've been told on the forums that I can do without needing to actually remove those bolts and then support it. Just in case I have a jack close by that I can actually do it. But we'll see. We'll see how it works. So yeah, we'll hop into that. All right, so I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna take you guys underneath. This will be a nice short opening bit to the video, I guess. It was actually more of a pain in my butt than I thought. My dad came and helped me out, but we got it out. We got the little shifter carrier out. Turns out my little fire extinguisher was stopping it from getting in. We are vibing out now. Now it's gonna be just putting in the shifter, making sure it goes through all the gears, fine tuning it for the reverse lockout, because I also still have to cut the little plastic trim. But besides that, we're vibing. I might not even put it back in all honesty. I might just roll around without a center console for a hot minute. I'm absolutely kidding. I would rather die. So I'll catch you guys when we put that in. So it'll be a quick little, good morning, guys. I ran out of daylight yesterday. I finished the short shifter. Let me tell you, just listen to this. Woo! You know, it was a pain in the butt to install, for sure, but let's see, we're gonna put you guys. Can't put you guys anywhere, so I'm just gonna hold you there. It was a pain in the butt to install. Like, it was getting the shifter carrier out and not so much the actual shifter going in. actually pretty straightforward. So I guess it wasn't that bad. I guess because of the way my fire extinguisher is mounted, I have some screws on the bottom side that were like kind of not allowing it to go out the way we wanted to go out. So I had to remove my fire extinguisher and I got it in there. But sorry if you see me rocking, I'm like precariously putting you guys here. Right now we're heading up to a karting event for New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's, everyone, like I said earlier. So we're gonna see some old friends, some new friends. Yeah, Bro, it's 9 a.m. Why are there so many old people here? Oh. It's 9 a.m. Why are there so many old people at this damn casino? Don't y'all got like grandkids and stuff to deal with? Bro, I hate myself sometimes. You peep the fit check? Yo, the fit check? You guys aren't even ready, dog. Racing into Carhartts. Industrial, bro. You're not even ready. You guys already know, the last time I was karting for TKC, I definitely didn't crash. I definitely just went into a barrier for funsies. So trying not to do that today. It's the small victories. Yeah, but today's not an endurance race. So today is actually a position race. Actually show off my abilities to pass people. I'm realizing that I don't have enough skill set to get any sort of placement in endurance, but I'm hoping for a midfield finish, midfield start. I know I'm not fast enough to be P1, P2, podium, whatever, top 5. I'm hoping for top 10, maybe top 15. Definitely think I'm faster than some people here, but we'll see. We'll see. The friends are showing up. Let me go say hello. Let me go say what's up, and then maybe I'll put a camera on their face. Who knows?
I hope you guys had a great Christmas/holiday break. Tonight is New Year's Eve, so I hope you guys all have a good response. Weights, we're weighing up to 200 pounds.
Oh, I fucking hate him so much.
Besides that, we have a good event. Try to stay.
Yo, you defaulted on it. Something about all those guys. All right, so that was the drivers' meeting. We're getting ready to head out to the paddock. But just a quick, just a quick recap of the damage from last time. So, helmet. You can't really tell. Making things to the map, but it's like all scuffed up right there, right there. Giant. There it is. Oh, there it is. Giant scar from the helmet coming off on the track, skidding across, getting hit by a cart. You know, some little battle wounds, but we'll be fine. I'm actually gonna strap my helmet down this time. I got others, you know, give me emotional support because they don't want me to die. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. I can get really close to her nose. Whoa. I don't even care. Someone come collect your mans. He's this guy?
I'm addicted to gambling.
No! Oh no! Little do you know, I also have massive gambling addictions.
Looking at that, he should stand out.